In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the transmission cooler hose on your Chevy Malibu. It's going to be located in the front of the vehicle. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to loosen the negative terminal. Remove the terminal. Should have a battery tie down right here. It should be two 10mm nuts. Go ahead and remove those and remove the tie down. Ours is missing. On this cover right here, you have a tab on either side. Then we can pull that cover off. Straight down in is going to be your tie down. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the tie down. Pull straight up and remove that terminal. Then we're going to remove our battery. Using a trim removal tool, we're going to pop the two clips for the harness off of our battery tray. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to remove the 3 bolts for the battery tray. Remove the 2 nuts. We have one more clip for our harness. Go ahead and pop that out of the tray. And then on the back side, we have 2 more of those harness clips. One right there, and one in the back right here. Pop those out. On the back side of our ECU, right here, there's a push tab. We're going to push that tab, and then we're going to pull this assembly straight up. And release the ECU from that bracket. We're just going to kind of put it up here. Pull all of your harnesses out of the way. And remove your battery tray. Using a 13mm socket, remove the nut for the cooler line on top. We're going to pinch that plastic clip. We're going to pull our line out of there. We're going to remove our cooler line off of our radiator. We're going to follow this bottom line up to right about here. You're going to have a plastic cap right here that you have to pop off. Just like that. I'll try and pull that down. There's our plastic cap that we popped off. Now inside of there, we're going to have a clip. We're going to have to push on either side of these clips to release them. We're going to use small picks, and we're going to try slowly, gently picking them up. When we pick up this clip, we're going to try and not let it fly off. They're very small and hard to find. Using a pick, we're going to pull up on those clips. I highly recommend buying some extra clips to go on these lines just to save you a headache later if you need them. Reach up and remove the clip. With the clip removed, we can remove the line. We're going to pull it straight out. Be sure you have a collection bucket under you. There may be some fluid that drips out. We're going to remove the line out of the plastic clip. We're going to push that clip down to the side and pull the line out. We're going to remove the cooler line from the vehicle. I'm going to dangle it down, let it drain before I remove it, cause less of a mess. We have one zip tie that we need to go ahead and clip. We're going to fish our line down through the car. Feed the line down through the car. Snake the line out of the vehicle. Install the line into the vehicle. We're going to try and push it up from where we removed it. Kind of take the same path. With about halfway up there, we're going to go back up top and pull it from the top. Now up top, we're going to get that line into place. It's got to be inside of the other one. Just like that. I just swung the bottom of the line under the car towards the radiator, which straightened this line out. I'm going to take the cap off of the line. Installed on there, you're going to have an O-ring, like an O-ring washer. We're going to install that line into the hole, get that guard lined up, and we'll get our nut started. We'll wait to snug this line down until we have the bottom installed. Install the clip. With our clip installed, we're going to push our line up into place. Install the line into place. We're going to push this straight in. Push the line until it's fully seated. Give it a pull. Make sure it is fully seated. Try and pull it out. Make sure it's locked in. Then we're going to move that plastic piece up over that clip. Push that plastic clip on until it's fully seated. Seat the line into the plastic clip. Go ahead and snug down that top nut. Install the lines into the plastic clip. Remove the fill cap for the transmission. We're going to install a funnel. And now we're going to top off the transmission fluid as needed. Make sure you use the manufacturer specified lubricant. Top off the fluid. Going to grab a rag so I don't make a spill. Remove your funnel and install the cap. Snug it down. Install the battery tray into the vehicle. Make sure it drops down onto the two studs. Install the nuts onto the studs. Install the bolts. Snug down the nuts and bolts. We're going to install the ECU onto its bracket. Line it up. Push it down, click it into place, be sure it's locked in. We have the two cable harness ties in front. Drop those into place. Install the cable stay on the front of the battery box. We have two more on the side. Install the battery into place. If you have your battery tie down, go ahead and install that now. Going to install the positive battery post onto the battery and then snug down the bolt. Install the cover, install the negative cable, snug it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.